online course. So the best way for you to contact with me will by email. And you can see my email address on the PowerPoint slide. Here are two things I like a lot in my course. The first one is I really enjoy teaching and learning together with my students. So the second thing is if you do have any questions, feel free to send me an email and ask me, and then maybe if you need, we can schedule an online meeting. Just let me know how I can help you. Okay, I'm going to introduce this course a little bit to you, let you know what you can do and what you are going to learn in this course. So instead of memorizing English grammar rules and vocabulary words only, in this online course, you are going to learn to use English grammar, vocabulary, idioms, sentence structures from the reading, writing, listening, and speaking materials in different topics and units. And also, I will invite a guest speaker who is going to teach you guys about British and American pronunciation. So you are going to be able to, you are going to learn a little bit about the pronunciation in this class as well. And before we finish this class, I'm going to share with you guys a little bit about study abroad experience, and then we will talk about some cultural issues in this class. And at the end of the class, the final test will be you guys need to really try to use English to complete an authentic task, and I will give you more information about this assignment very soon. So after taking the class in 10 weeks, hopefully you are going to learn about English pronunciation and phonics, and you will learn how to use English grammar, and you are going to know, for example, you are going to know how to use different verb tenses in different situations. And then you will learn to communicate and practice in the conversations in English with your friends. And also about writing, we are going to write about a formal, informal email, have an invitation letter, complaint letter, etc. You are going to learn about understand the author's purpose, making inference, and summarize the reading materials. And then in this course also you will learn about different idioms in English. So you can see the schedule about this class. This week, the first week is a warm-up week for you guys. So we will cover the syllabus, and then you will see a short interview from me and the native speaker, Mr. Chad Aller. We will talk about learning English and what you can do at home. And I also will give you guys a short grammar review lessons about verb tenses and some important sentence structures. And start from week 2 next week, you will learn about English idioms. And week 3 is focused on English writing. Week 4, we will do reading materials. And in week 5, you will have a short online midterm exam. So you are going to submit, you are going to receive the exam questions online, and then do your best to answer the question and then submit it online as well. After that, in week 6, this is the speaking conversations lessons for you. So you will see different scenarios and learn the vocabulary and the conversation. Week 7 is a listening course, so we will focus on English intonation and stress, also some phonics. In week 8 is pronunciation class about British English and American English. And the week 9 is the last week before the final task. So in week 9, I will share with you about some cultural issues and my study abroad experience. And then the week 10, which is the last week, you guys need to submit a final test to online platform. So in this class, after taking these 10-week courses, you are going to receive the credit that you can use at your university. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about the grading system. There are only 3 parts. The first part is your homework assignment, which takes about 50% of overall grade. So for each lesson, each unit, I will assign you the homework assignment that you need to complete. Usually the homework will due in 1 week. Okay, so you do need to read the instruction carefully and then submit your answers online to the assignment box. Then I will grade it and also give you some feedback. If you do have questions, again, feel free to ask me. And then for our midterm exam in week 6, let's assessment takes about 20% of overall grade, and your final authentic test is 30%. So overall, you will be 100%. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this class, and if you have any comments, feedback, or suggestions, also feel free to let me know. I will see you later in the next unit. Bye bye.